Simulation and Analysis of AODV Protocol with Black Hole and Flooding Attack Wireless Sensor Networks. Presented by Niharika Gurner. Wireless sensor networks has become a popular domain of research. A wireless network allows interconnectivity of heterogeneous systems by enabling systems to communicate and exchange information. Security is one of the major issues in a WSN network. Hence, in the following thesis work we presented two networks following the AODV protocol, and attacks like black hole and flooding have been simulated. Later, the analysis of the network traffic is done using machine learning. The objectives of the thesis are: 1. Simulation of AODV network under black hole and flooding attack. 2. Analysis of the simulated network. 3. Identification of the malicious nodes. For simulation and analysis of the network, the following experimental setup has been used. The operating system which has been used is Ubuntu. Nanosecond 2 has been used for simulation of the WSN network. Tracegraph has been used for the graphical analysis of the network. Weka has been used as the machine learning tool. The following flowchart represents the workflow of the thesis. Initially, two different networks using the AODV protocol have been simulated with wormhole and flooding attack. After the simulation, two different files are obtained as a result. The first file is the trace file, and the second file is the network animator file. The trace file allows the analysis of the network traffic using machine learning, and the network animator file allows graphical analysis of the network. Two different experimentations have been performed. Experiment 1 consists of detection of black hole attack in an AODV network. Black hole attack is a kind of denial of service attack. During the route discovery, malicious node portrays that it has the best path to the node destination. On receiving a rec message, it responds with fake rep, and further, when the malicious node receives packets from the source, it drops the packets instead of forwarding it. Hence, during the simulation process, it is clearly visible that the malicious node is dropping the packet. After the simulation process, it is time to analyze the network. After retrieving the trace file which captures the traffic of the simulated network, machine learning has been applied on the captured traffic, and further classification algorithms have been used. The traffic that has been captured has been used as a data set, and then this data set had been used for training and testing purposes. The results are shown in the table. Analysis of the NAM file allows us to study the network and represent the results graphically. The graph shown presents dropped packets in the network simulated. Experiment 2 consists of detection of flooding hole attack in an AODV network. Initially, simulation of the network is done using NS2. Flooding attack in AODV is type of denial of service attack, where the malicious node sends a large number of SYN requests to the target system in order to consume large number of resources, which makes rest of the network unresponsive to legitimate traffic. Machine learning has been applied on the captured traffic, and further classification algorithms have been used. Analysis of the NAM file for the simulated network using tracegraph. Thank you.